How to get a Cash App card without a social security number. There are two methods. The first one is going to be verifying your account with an alternative government issued ID. You want to scroll down here to support and you will just search for verify my identity. Here you will click on verify my identity. And you want to click on continue, type out your name, give your date of birth, and then when it asks either for social security number or government issued ID, you will choose government issued ID. The other way of how you can get a Cash App card without a social security number is if you have a sponsored account or you are sponsored. What you can do is click on your profile icon and go into family. And here, if you are under 18, you will just click on I'm a teen. You will again need to verify your age, and that way you will be given the option to get a Cash App card if you are under 18. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.